Hello guys, welcome back to new video. In this video, I explain about Google Drive. Watch this video until it's over. You can get a good knowledge about Google Drive. Google Drive is a first file storage and synchronization service developed by Google, launched on 2012. Google Drive always uses to store files in the cloud, synchronize files across devices, and share files. In addition to a web interface, Google Drive offers apps with offline capabilities for Windows and Mac OS computers and Android and iOS. You can securely store your valuable files and folders. Breaking a computer or phone is not a problem. Let's log into your Gmail. If you do not have a Gmail, you need to create a Gmail account. Click this button. Click Drive. This is my Google Drive. Even if this highlighted, the files inside the drive are included. This one highlighted. If the computer is synced with Google Drive, you can see the sync files. You can see recent file. On this deleted file, you can see I am uploading the file to Google Drive. Click new button, file load, double click your file. Uploading your file. This yellow white mark is completed. You are uploading. Click my drive, and this is my file. This is my file. Click the computers. Now this is not synced with my computer. Right click on this. You can share this file to another email address or another Google Drive. You can move to another folder to this file. You can rename, or you can download this file, or you can remove. I remove this file. Now I can go to bin and I can find my file. I can delete this file forever. Click empty bin. Delete for. Right. This is your storage. Google Drive first uses 15 GB of free storage through Google One. Google One also offers 100 GB, 200 GB, 2 TB, 10 TB, 20 TB, and 30 TB offered through optional paid plans. Google Docs, Google Sheet, and Google Sites. Google Site files do not count towards the storage limit. I will explain Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Sites next video. Now I am going to show you how to sync Google Drive with my computer. Click download button, or you can search Google Chrome. You can use this link. Click this button, download button, and download setup file. This file. Install this file. Run. Wait a few minutes. Okay, complete. Click get started button. You should sign in to your Gmail. You can use this link. This is very easy, very faster. Sign in with your browser instead. With your Gmail. Verify. Hello, click hello button. Okay, completed. I go to click got it button. You can remove this. You can choose the folder sync with Google Drive. This is the default Google Drive folder. You can change. I change it. You can create the folder. Select folder. Click start button. You can see this Google Drive icon in the taskbar. This is the you can open Google Drive folder. This thing. It is open. This is the Google Drive folder. We save some file. Save this file. Okay, it's Google Drive folder. Now you can go to Google Drive. My computer. Click continue button. You can see uploading my file. Upload my file. Now I go to website, Google Drive website. This is my file. I'm going to this. You can use this one to go to visit Google Drive on the web. This way. And you can use this one to change preference. And change this Google Drive settings. Oh, you can pause this Google Drive. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel now for getting more videos.